What's up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we got another police interceptor I'm about to go search. Right here we have a 2009 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor. This vehicle was towed away from a criminal, and since there's no auctions, I'm gonna go and play rescue and get this car out. I got it for a super good deal,
and I'm gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. Look at that, there's tissue holding up the headlights. Hit that like button, guys. Every like improves my chances of finding that biscuit.
This looks like a Go Rhino push bar. Looks like it's been through war. He's got some sort of visor lights right there and some type of camera right there. Tires are not that bad of a condition, surprisingly. I had to cover up these stickers because they were extremely vulgar, very perverted. So I didn't want to get demonetized from his very perverted stickers. Looks like there's some. Ooh, this is a nice spotlight. I was not expecting that. I mean, just look at this one. Jeez. So yeah, there's dents, scratches, gouges, dings everywhere. Looks like this car's been through war, or probably spent one day in the ghetto here in Sacramento. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Holy crap, holy crap. This car looks like a freaking living full-scale ashtray. Holy crap. Looks like there's some leftover food here. It's probably moldy. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna have to put on a mask to get in here. 100% necessary. All right, got my gloves on. But holy crap, what is this? Grease? Dirt? What is this? I don't even know what that is. Yep, look at that. All criminals must have their Swisher Sweets. His bling bling looks like it used to be gold, but it probably faded, wore off. Some more change. It looks like he has some sort of GPS device. There's some whacker light right here. I wonder if this guy was a police impersonator, because look at this. Let's see if this even works. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. We got these things flashing. I think this guy might be a impersonator. I don't know, man. It was probably one of those road assistant guys. Who knows, man? I really don't know. I wish they would tell me why he got arrested and got his car impounded for 30 days. Oh yeah, look at that. More evidence of impersonation. Peerless USA.
Oh no, this guy is 100% police impersonator.
What the heck? How does he have this all hooked up? Holy crap. Oh, I don't even want to put my mouth near this thing. It sounds like it works though. Testing. Yep. Fanta. More criminal stuff.
It's stuck.
Let's get this open. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Wow. This car, I don't think this car was properly searched. Those look like armor-piercing rounds. I mean, that's just my guess. Oh, okay, look, here's where he has the brain to that. Oh, wow, look how he has it connected. It's like, you see those exposed wires? Holy crap. It's his weed pipe. Look at all that. All right, let's start this poor thing up. Oh, it's not working right now, but it actually has over 300,000 miles. Well, that was pretty cool. Let's look under the hood. Okay, okay. She's running pretty solid. Okay, let's look on the other side. Ooh, money. $2. Okay, so I got $2 back. So now the car costs $298. Nice. I'm gonna need a bath after searching this car. Maybe 2 of them. Look at that. More. Please be a biscuit in here. Oh no, I found a Cheeto. In a straw. Hey, he's being a real rebel. These are illegal in California. Look at all this. Holy crap. I just realized that these are 30 round magazines. That's 120 rounds. Holy crap. Oh, those are like armor piercing rounds. Holy crap. I wonder if I should make a report on this or not. I'm not sure. Tell me, what do you guys think? Although it is a little loose. Man, this guy is like hitting every corner or something. Jeez. Wonder what he's doing with this. A jewel. Let's test this one out. Attention, criminal loyalist. Come out in a single file line so you could be arrested. He was smoking that Carol Baskin. Let's check in the back. What is this? Oh, that's the power strobe supply. I am scared. I'm scared I might find a baby fetus back here or something. Old Spice, so you could smell like your uncle. I'm scared something's gonna bite me. And I don't know what brand this is, but this looks like a X-Sprite. And he has some sort of camera right there. Let's pop the trunk. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread. Ooh, we're off to a good start. Bro. Holy crap. Hey, junkyard boy. SAXD XD40 Springfield Armory. Holy crap. I wonder if he forgot it in here. I don't know if it's empty or not. Right? Something will come out if it's empty. Yeah. Guys, let's go put this thing to the test. Like, seriously, this is not a joke. This is not one of those April Fools jump out of a cake thing. This is literally legit. Like, I'm like about to like call the police right now. Okay, so I'm in the back to try to test this thing out, and look at this. Look at this truck parked in an incline, and look where I'm at. I sure hope this thing holds up. Look at all this. Holy crap. One tweaker could do all this in less than a week. That's District 76 for you. Look at this van. This is like some zombie apocalypse type thing. I wonder who's responsible for all this. Alright, let's test this thing out. Tweaker loyalists, come out with your hands up right now! Hello? Can't believe somebody used to live here. Alright, I'm taking a closer look. Crazy. Let's see if it works. They might have ditched it because it's broken, but we'll find out. Here goes nothing. Woo! Yeah. Oh! Woo! That was freaking powerful. Holy crap. I hope I don't have to give it back. Holy crap. So I'm gonna resell this car. 500 bucks. Who wants it? Ammo included. Well, unless it's illegal. Okay, so I just got off the phone with the dude's wife. I told her, I was like, hey, you know, I found a biscuit in the trunk. And she was like, oh yeah, can you bring it over? I'm like, I'm not driving anywhere with that thing. I don't even want to touch that thing anymore. No. Either you pick it up or I'm throwing it away in the trash. Thank you guys for watching my premiere. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.